Hi, it's Alicia and welcome to the Mintay YouTube channel. Today I am sharing a tutorial for creating a small 3x3 notebook card and a matching box to pop it into. I actually made this one here for World Card Making Day. Using the 7th Heaven Mintay papers. You open the little box and inside is the 3x3 card. So this is the perfect little gift for somebody special. Inside I did decorate this little card, and then it folds up, and because it is heavily embellished, you can see that there are a lot of flowers. I made some foam flowers and I used some silk flowers on this, so it's not really suitable to go inside an envelope, so it has its own little gift box to go in. And this really is such a lovely gift for a friend on a special birthday or for Christmas. Now for Christmas I made the exact same project but in the Home for Christmas Mintay paper range. And this is again the same little box, and inside the box sits the 3x3 card, and then the lid goes on like that. So what a beautiful Christmas gift to give to somebody special who really appreciates handmade and handcrafted items. And then inside the little card you can write your own special Christmas message. So this is what we're going to be making today, and I'm going to take you step by step through the tutorial so that you can create it at home using the beautiful Mintay Home for Christmas paper collection. So let's get started. To make this project you are going to need a 6x6 Home for Christmas paper pad. You will need to choose 2 pages from this paper pad. 1 page will be for the lid of your box and 1 page will be for the base of your box. Take the paper that you'd like to use for the base of your box, and you need to score it at 1/4 inch and 1 1/4 inch on each side of the paper. Highlight the tiny squares in each corner of the page, and then highlight 2 long rectangles on both sides of the square. These are the parts that we're going to remove. Take your scissors and trim those highlighted sections away. The next step is to highlight the score line where you plan to cut. I highlighted 4 vertical lines. You're then going to cut on the highlighted line and taper a second cut on an angle. This will create tabs for the box. You need to add adhesive tape to the tabs. Once you have done that, turn the box over and add more adhesive tape to the very skinny tabs on the edge of the box. Now that all the tape's in place, we're going to fold on all of the score lines. Once you have removed the tape, you can then attach the tabs to create the box, and then you fold down the top tabs to create a nice edge to the box. You need to take another 6x6 piece of paper, and this is going to be the top of your box. You need to cut it to 5 5/8 inches by 5 5/8 inches. We're going to score each side at 1/2 inch and 1 inch, similar to like we did before. Highlight 2 squares in each corner, making sure they are the same. Trim away the highlighted corners. Draw 4 vertical lines from the outside edges and trim and taper on these lines, just as we did before. Add tape to the tabs. Turn it over and add tape to the top strips. Fold along all the score lines. Remove the tape and attach the tabs to create the box. Then fold down the top flap. This creates a beautiful finished edge to the box. You can use your bone folder to flatten the sides. And now we have the top of the box and the bottom of the box all ready to be embellished. We're going to choose another 6x6 paper piece. We're going to cut it in half at 3 inches. We're going to score it at 3 inches on the 6th inch side and then fold. This will form the base of our card. Now we're up to embellishing. The first step is to cut some lace for the top of the box and for the top of the card. The second step is to fussy cut from the number 9 paper some images that you would like to use for embellishment. I chose some of the poinsettia flowers. You're going to fussy cut them out, and then to create a 3-dimensional effect, you can cut the petals and then fold them. This gives the flower some extra dimension. Attach the lace with liquid glue. Cut 2 pieces of organza ribbon. We're going to glue those to the inside of the lid of the box. You can build some silk flowers by removing the plastic bits from the silk flowers and adding in your own centers. Add some red sewing thread and a golden star. You can also cut the golden star and fold the points just like we did with the flowers to create more dimension. Start gluing all of your elements down and then add some pearl flower centers to the center of the poinsettias. Tie the ribbon in a bow once the glue has dried. Add some flowers underneath the ribbon. Make a bow with some red embroidery thread. Glue that on top of the blue organza bow and then add a pearl flower center on top of that. Add in some Fussy Cut berries from the papers and some more red cotton and some stars. Then we're going to add some pearl strips onto the lid of the box. And also to the bottom of the card. Then add in some tiny little red sequins. For some extra Christmas sparkle. And then a little bit of Kindy Glitz onto some of the leaves and petals. I hope you enjoyed creating this little 3x3 card and matching gift box with me. Make sure you leave me a comment. Is this the type of thing that you'd like to create? I need to know. What other projects are you interested in creating? What do you need a tutorial written up for? Make sure you subscribe to the Mintay YouTube channel so that you don't miss any of these amazing tutorials that are coming out every Sunday. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.